Straight knife cutting machine is used to cut components of differing size. This is the most frequently used equipment for cutting garments in bulk. It is moved along the cut contours, while the fabric spread remains in a fixed position. The machines are maneuverable and capable of curvilinear cutting. Structure of straight knife cutting machine. The straight knife cutting machine consists of a base plate, an upright stand to hold the vertical blade, motor, a handle for moving assembly, a sharpening device and a handle to transfer the whole assembly from one place to another. Straight knife is a common means of cutting lathes in conventional cutting rooms because it is versatile, portable, cheaper than a band knife, more accurate on curves than a round knife and relatively reliable and easy to maintain.